Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to be taking a look at the ICP Internet Computer price set. We have had brutal price action in the last 24 hours, and I know that a lot of people are really asking a lot of questions, right? I also have got my own questions that I'm going to be asking and trying to give an answer. The first one is this actually a doomsday scenario, right? And then my other question is that where are we headed from now, right? Is it going to be a cruel summer? Because we have seen things like this before, where the summer is like literally boring, super sideways price action, and really maybe when you start getting into autumn, this is when you start picking some steam and stuff like that. So I'm really kind of interested in answering those two questions right there, and then also taking a look at where ICP is headed long term, because I still think that, yeah, in as much as like we really have been tortured by the ICP price, that I should say, I think that long-term ICP is still looking very much bullish, and I still believe in my price targets as high as something like $221 for this bull cycle. Yeah, I believe in that, but my worry is just for the next maybe 2-3 months that we are going to be having here, because we were also following a fractal here on the 4-hourly time frame. I think you guys remember that. For the last 2 weeks, I really have been running with that, and this is the fractal here. Let me quickly show you where we were comparing that thing to. Here we're comparing that with the kind of price action that we were seeing back then in February with Miro, and we were drawing some kind of a very nice similarities right there. But where this chart is getting lost is that after you hit this pullback right there, it was actually a higher low compared to this one here, so it really didn't get back to the bottom, where ICP is currently sitting right around like $10.80 or something like that. This was not the case here, so definitely it means that something is going to be happening. Now still right at this point, there is still something positive just to hang on to, that we are still not losing these support levels. Yeah, I mean, take a look at this. The ICP price that has really been supported time and again right around these levels here. So this was also major support with a weak support right there, also kind of support right here. So we can already see that we have got some touch points already. Now the thing that we have also working against us is that the more you hit on a support level or maybe a resistance level, that's the more likely you are actually gonna be breaking that resistance or support level here. So yeah, that's really one head scratcher right there, that we have a fractal that we were following, which indicates that ICP looks like it's headed for something like $27, but at the same time we are hitting this support level too much that should it break right there, having a daily candle below $10.80, I think that the ICP price that would just simply capitulate back down into this main support level that we have right there. Let me quickly quote the numbers right there. Our support levels are beginning as high as something like $9.40 all the way down to something like $8. So this range is where you would expect ICP to be supported long term, right, relative to that wake of accumulation pattern that we were talking about. But I mean, let's quickly just go ahead and try to measure what kind of a drop that would be from where the price is sitting right now. You'll be looking at something like maybe a 22% drop or something like that. And to be honest with you, this really is something that is still in the normal bounds of crypto. We have seen this before. Now, the only thing that I'm kind of, you know, thinking too much is that, I mean, should we get down to these levels here, is it going to be a quick bounce? And you know, we start recuperating ourselves right there. My belief is that if we just drop that support level at like $10.80, dropping all the way down to something like $9.40, $8 right there, it's going to be a cruel summer, to be honest with you, because I don't believe that the price is just going to find its way out there like real quick. I think it's going to really take some time right now. You know, should we find support right at like $10.80 right there? Yeah, I think we can still continue with the fractal that we were using there with the Miro chart. But I think maybe I try to explain exactly where I'm standing with this price set. But right now it's just really a matter of like a decision moment for the price set to try and see where exactly we are headed right there. Long term wise, am I really scared about the ICP price that we're just gonna start heading into a bear cycle right at this point? To me, it really doesn't look likely. I think that we are going to be seeing something like $220, much more likely than seeing ICP heading back to a bear cycle. So that's pretty much what I have today. Obviously, remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I sell, right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.